Reflective symmetry. Reflective symmetry is also known as a line symmetry or a mirror symmetry. It is stated that if there exists at the least one line that divides a figure into two halves, such as that one half is the mirror image of the other half. Rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry is the shape has when it looks the same after rotation as it did at its starting point. An object degree of rotational symmetry is determined by the number of orientation in which it looks exactly the same as it did before rotation. It also known as radial symmetry.